It's time, guys. The time has come, bro. The day I thought would never come. We're selling the GTR today. The new owner's here. He just drove 2 hours, so it's really happening. This is gonna be a sad day, guys. I might get a little emotional in today's video. It's gonna be a sad day. We are selling my beautiful GTR. Let's get that last cold start. Upstairs right now. Maybe I can talk to you guys about who the new owner is, because I'm excited to tell you guys about that, because although it's sad, it's going out in a fun way. So I'll let you guys know that right now. That's a little hint, but the GTR is definitely going to be sold today, and it feels real. As you guys know, I've had this car for about 4 years now. It was my absolute dream car, and it still is. I love this car so much, and I talked about it last video a lot, but I have the GTR just sitting there, just collecting dust. I'm not really using it for content, and to be honest, the BMW content does way better than this, so I think it's the right time, bro. You know, I got a good deal on the car. I enjoyed the car as well. 4 years with the car, and I put 60,000 miles of my own miles on this car. I drove it 60,000 miles, so I really enjoyed this thing and have so many memories with this car, guys.
Nick left the camera on top of the Bronco on the hood, and I was about to drive off with it, and then I saw it. I'm like, oh my. I'm not gonna tell him yet though. I'm gonna tell him when we get to the next location. Very sad day because the GTR is going bye-bye. As you guys know, this was Nick's dream car, so it hurts to let the car go. That's why I haven't let go of my E92 or my M4. I know that it's gonna make me feel very, very sad. And we all know he's gonna get a different car. A lot of you guys have an idea. Still though, you know, it was his dream car, and he built it, did a bunch of stuff to it, and he had it for a long time. Actually, I think he got it around the same time that I got my M4 GTS. So to let a car go like that, it's very ballsy. Bigger things come in his way. So right now I'm following them. I'm in the Brap, and we got the people out here photo shooting it, doing some videos. We're in downtown, beautiful downtown Los Angeles. Nick's in the GTR driving it, just trying to get his last drive in, because after that, like I said, guys, the car is gone.
In downtown LA, I've actually shot here before with the GTR, but we're shooting it again. Dude, it's really gone, huh? Well, it's about to be gone. Crazy. He's about to drive it away right now, but we got the money. The money's at home. But it's still sad. You got money, but I'm sad still. But damn, the GTR looks so good right now. It's so clean too. Yeah. We got it all detailed, so it's like mint right now, bro. Damn, looks good. The last photo shoot with the car. Should we announce who bought the car?
Yes, it's time.
I think you guys might be excited. Like, it's sad, but I think it's going out in a cool way, you know what I mean? And it's kind of cool for you guys, which you guys will find out right now. Sheepy Race bought the GTR, bro. You guys all know Sheepy. They make the craziest twin turbo Lambos, R8s, all that good stuff. But as you guys know, Sheepy actually gives away a bunch of really sick cars. And guess what? The GTR is about to be their next giveaway car. So stay tuned, guys. Within like a couple weeks, I think they're gonna announce the GTR as their next giveaway. I'm giving you guys an exclusive secret right now. That is their next giveaway car. Only people that know is the people that are watching this video right now. Like I said, yes, it's sad that I'm getting rid of the GTR, but when Sheepy approached me with the opportunity, I was like, you know what? I think that'll be cool. I want the car to go to a good owner. It'll give you guys a chance to actually win the GTR. I've seen a lot of comments wanting me to give away the car, and I was gonna do it, but it's just a really big process. So that's when they came to me and they were like, you know what? We'll give away the car for you. So that's some exciting news. I'm sure you guys had no idea that was gonna happen, but yeah, within the next couple weeks, you guys will see on Sheepy Race's Instagram and everything that they are giving away the GTR to one of you guys. You guys could literally win my GTR, bro. Kind of crazy. I can't believe they're buying my car.
I know.
Never did I think that Sheepy Race would buy my GTR, but it's sick. The boys are out here right now shooting it, getting it ready for the giveaway already. And I think they're gonna announce it in a couple weeks, like 2 weeks. So stay tuned.
So soon?
I know.
Wow.
How crazy is that? I'm sad, but I'm excited. Like, I'm excited to do this little giveaway with them. and see who wins the car. Honestly, cool that it's going to them, but it's also cool that it's gonna go to one of you guys maybe. Maybe someone that watches my videos. Like, it'll be so cool if it's someone that watches my videos. If it is, like, if it's someone like a subscriber that wins this car, I'll go out to Sheepy with you guys, and I'll go with you guys too. Deliver the car. I think that'll be a cool experience too. See who it goes to.
I hope I win.
Imagine Kevin wins it. Oh my, bro.
I hope I win.
Yeah, hopefully you guys aren't too sad now. Maybe you guys are a little excited to know that that thing's gonna be the next giveaway car. Yeah, as of right now, the GTR is pretty much gone. It's their car now, guys. And that is it. The GTR is leaving. What is this little thing? A receipt? It's gone, guys. He's taking the GTR. It's so sad, bro. I can't believe this is happening. I never thought I would sell that car. I never thought so. Especially like if you would have asked me when I first bought it. There it goes. It's been a long day.
Look
without you,
I don't think you should have sold it.
Yeah, I don't think I should have sold it either.
Bro, it's just depressing, bro.
There's no way it's gone. Should we follow him?
I can't believe you sold it.
I know, I can't either. Look at here, bro.
You sold it.
Now you gotta sell the M4.
You're insane.
You have to.
Look at that.
Damn, it looks so good.
Especially with the black wheels.
But hey guys, you guys could win that car now. That's the craziest part, that you guys could literally win that car. Imagine I win it back. Nah, I don't think I can enter, bro. There's no way. There's no way, bro.
I'd be crying.
I'm about to cry, bro.
I'd be crying, bro.
It sounds so good.
Nick, is that you?
Finding Nick.
Nick!
Kevin's voice. Kevin's voice is still gone. They have a 3-hour drive back right now too.
That's gonna be fun in the GTR?
Kind of, but it's not traffic. Say goodbye, guys. Literally the last time you'll see it. Kinda. Maybe we'll go to Sheepy and see it at their shop.
No!
You're good at sales? I really sold my dream car. I never thought this day would come, but whatever. On to bigger and better things, G.
Yeah, for sure.
I enjoyed it. I had it for 4 years, like I said. I drove it 60,000 miles I put on that car.
Where'd you go, man?
Everywhere. I drove that car to Vegas, to San Diego, to everywhere, bro.
It's crazy.
It was fun. I'll get something new. I'll get another GTR one day, bro. One day I'm gonna get like a 2017 up. Maybe like 2024, maybe. I don't know. I want like a newer GTR. Imagine a T-Spec.
That'd be hard.
The real Millennium Jade. Bring it back.
That'd be insane.
Damn, maybe, guys, maybe. That would be crazy if we end up doing it. That would be like a good story. Bringing back the Millennium Jade, but a real one. Paint 2024.
There it is.
Maybe. It looks so good in traffic too.
Nick, is that you? Nick!
Finding Nick. Yes, it's sad, but it's kind of cool because now one of you guys get the opportunity to win the car. And I'm kind of hyped about that. It doesn't make me that sad.
Finding sheep.
Finding Sheepy. It's mine, guys. I bought it. Look at this. Hold on, let me find the keys. Look at this, guys. I literally bought a GTR. I'm shaking, bro. This is crazy. This is literally the sickest looking GTR I've ever seen. Like, it's perfect already, and it's completely stock. Oh my God, bro. So much content coming. You like it, Dad?
Like it. It's good.
My dad's about to drive it home too. We have to switch off. Rev it, man.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, Jesus, oh God. Nick.
That feels so
Oh my
fun.
God, that was not fun. No.
Mom, relax. just like that, guys, the GTR is sold. I keep repeating myself, but I really cannot believe that car is gone. I am very sad. That was my dream car, as you guys seen. I had so many dope memories. The list goes on, bro. I could keep going through my whole YouTube channel, but there's so many memories. You real ones have been with me since the beginning, so I appreciate that so much. All the freaking GTR merch shops we've done. We have so many GTR shirts, GTR hoodies, GTR content. Like, it just goes on and on and on, bro. Am I gonna regret it? I don't know. I'm regretting it right now, but like I said before, on to bigger and better things. I said in my last video, I said it in this video, but we gotta keep progressing, guys. I made it a goal to have a GTR. We accomplished it, and now we move on to another goal. Accomplish another goal. And if you don't keep making goals, you're just gonna be stuck in the same spot or get too comfortable. You don't wanna be like that. For me, holding on to the GTR, like, no, I don't wanna sell it. That's like me, like, doubting myself that I can never get another GTR again. I will buy another GTR again. I'm gonna buy a newer one day, bro. Maybe a Millennium J 2024, like I said. I know for a fact I will own another GTR. This was just a goal that I wanted to accomplish. I did it. I enjoyed it for 4 years, like I said. And I think the time has come to move on to something new. Get into that supercar that I've been talking about forever. I want a supercar, guys. I talk about it so freaking much, but you gotta talk about these things. In order for it to come true, you gotta manifest it, and like I said, you gotta take the risk. And who knows, maybe one of you guys will actually win it from the Sheepy giveaway. I think it's cool that they ended up buying it. I was hoping whoever bought it, it would go to a good home. And I think it's kind of cool. It's gonna go out in a cool way. Hopefully whoever wins it, that's their dream car too. And I really hope it's one of you guys that watches my videos, because that would be really cool. And yeah, I can't thank you guys enough for all the love and support. Without you guys, I would have never even got that car. So thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next car. I've been online morning to night looking for new cars, car shopping. Maybe we'll go look at a couple in person, but I'm ready, guys. Like, I want to go straight. I don't want to waste this money, bro. I'm putting the money straight into the next car. Definitely stay tuned. We'll probably do a little car shopping vlog in the upcoming vlogs, but we got to find a replacement for the GTR now. I know some of you guys might be sad, but let's try to think positive, onto bigger and better things, setting another goal, accomplishing that goal, showing you guys that it's possible as well. That's all I want to do, bro. Hustle and motivate, literally. Motivate you guys to accomplish your dreams as well, get your dream car as well, and just keep moving up. But I appreciate you guys so much for being on this journey with me.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.